Welcome back to another video with your one and only trader Sam. Guys, that pump that just happened for Bitcoin, I'm sure you all just saw it. Wow. I mean, we were talking about coming up to the 30K level at some point in the coming days or weeks, but we did not expect it to come like that. We were sat at, because we were looking at getting into short positions in the Legends community. We were looking at a potential SFP of this level at 28K, because 28K has been key. And we had a lot of bearish CVD divergences, but then price just absolutely skyrocketed. So it did, almost 10% in a matter of minutes. Absolutely crazy. That's why we always talk about risk management in the Legends community, guys. Actively talking about risk management. This is a valid attempt now. Andy was saying stop above the high. I was also looking at the same trade. So we were looking at this short setup. We did see initially, we saw a very nice reaction. Look at the volume on that 1 minute candle. That was a great trigger to get into a short. It was very unlucky. I mean, stop loss went above the high. And then we have this huge influx of volume out of nowhere, which came on the back of CVD divergences as well. Bearish CVD divergences, sorry. So it was a complete curveball. Okay, now that that is out of the way, what can we expect? But before we jump into that, guys, please remember I am not a financial advisor. Anything I say in this video is for educational purposes. Guys, before I jump into the analysis here as well, if you haven't already, please check out my swing failure pattern trading strategy tutorial. So make sure you do check out that at some point, guys. So we have swept these highs over at 30,200, taking this liquidity, hitting the top of the channel and aggressively coming back beneath. So what I'm currently looking at now, guys, is if we do come up to test these highs at 28,600, if we do come up there to retest that zone once again with relatively low volume, I will be looking at getting into a short position here. We do have a bit of confluence with the 50% mid-range level of this channel, as well as this 3-touch setup that we have at 28,619. Now, basically what that is, guys, is when you have an SFP of a level, and then you have the retest of that level, which usually is the 3rd touch. A lot of the time you do get a bearish reaction where you can get in for a short or a long position, depending on which direction you're trading. Right now, for all intents and purposes, this will be obviously a short position. Basically, we had the high at 28,619. And although this was a very aggressive SFP, it was an SFP nonetheless. And because we do have the 50% level of the channel there, this is interesting to me. So if we do trickle up here with relatively low volume and get rejected, I will be looking at getting in to a short position. A clear profit target for me would be these lows right over here at 27,663. Also, guys, we do have some untapped levels as well. We have some daily and MPOC levels to the downside, which are untapped. So the next level after that 27,650 region would be this MPOC level at 27,040. Guys, I'm not going to be looking to take any long positions up here. We are at stiff resistance. You can see this massive rejection that we have had. So because we're up at the highs here, I will be looking for potential short positions. An invalidation of looking for short positions for me would be claiming this value area high, or at least claiming 28,619 with significant volume, and then coming back down to retest it with lower volume. That for me would be a great sign of strength, as it would be showing that we are able to break out of those previous highs that we failed from at 28,619, guys. Otherwise, longs will be looked for if we do come down to this MPOC level, to this sloping trend line support that we have from this channel. That would be a 3rd touch if we were to touch it again, which could be potentially bullish. So that's it for this quick update on Bitcoin, guys. If you are finding value from these quick updates, please make sure you do subscribe and leave comments, guys. Interact with me so I can hear more things that you want to see and make this channel better for yourselves. Also, be sure to check out the Legends Discord community, guys. We've got up to 25% off for registration, as well as mad bonuses on Bybit and MEXC. You can claim up to $20,000 worth in bonuses on MEXC and up to $30,000 bonus for Bybit. So check those links in the description, guys, and take advantage of it while it lasts. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and I will catch you on the next update. Ciao.